Physical and chemical changes. Elements. Everything in this world is made of some basic pure substance which is known as an element. An element can never be broken, but it can be joined. There are 118 elements known to humankind, in which 94 are found in the nature and the rest are made in laboratories. Gold, silver, sodium, phosphorus, nitrogen, oxygen, etc. are some elements. Atoms. Every element is made up of atoms. They are so small that they cannot be seen through naked eyes. They can be seen through a very strong electronic microscope. Everything is made up of atoms, even you are made up of atoms. An adult has 8 octillion atoms. That means 8 with 27 zeros. Compounds. When 2 or more elements combine, they form a compound. Example: water is a compound as it is made from 2 different elements, which are hydrogen and oxygen. Molecule. Some atoms exist alone, but some atoms exist only in groups. A molecule is the smallest part of an element which exists by itself. Properties of compounds. Composition. Some atoms exist alone, but some atoms exist only in groups. A molecule is the smallest part of an element which exists by itself. Separation. A compound cannot be broken into elements through physical methods, but can be broken through chemical methods. Example: water cannot be broken into hydrogen and oxygen by filtration, but it can be broken by passing electricity to it. Chemical symbols. Chemical symbols is the short form of element. Example: gold is called Aurum, but its chemical name is Au. Valency. Valency means how many atoms can an element give or take. Example: valency of oxygen is 2, so, when 2 hydrogen atoms mix with oxygen it forms water. Atomicity. Atomicity means the number of atoms in an element. Example: bromine has 2 atoms, so it is written as Br2. Physical changes. The reaction in which only the physical properties changes after a reaction is called physical changes. Example: melting of butter. Characteristics of physical changes. The reaction may or may not be reversible. No new substance is formed. The chemical properties is always the same of the reactants and product after the reaction. Only the size, shape or state changes in this reaction. Chemical reaction. The reaction between reactants that form product are called chemical reaction. Reactants are the substances that are used for the reaction, whereas products are the substance formed after the reaction. Chemical changes. In this reaction a new substance is formed. Example: making curd from milk. Characteristics of chemical changes. Maybe the color will change. They are always irreversible. Heat may be given out or taken.